I don't know, I'm thinking if it's not too late, should we try and make some kind of deal?
Tell him to wait for me. I got a deal for him.
I got a deal for you, bitch. Bitch, he got a deal for you, honey. Did you hear that shit?
Enemy close.
Oh, God.
We doing this?
No.
Rick.
You want to make today your last day on Earth?
He said the thing.
No. But that is a good thing to bring up. Think about it. What if it's the last day on Earth for you? For someone you love? What if that's true?
Man, he's gone everywhere, bitch.
We making our stand?
He's gonna get you. Bitch. They're everywhere. Throwing chains.
Dad. That's Michonne's.
That's Daryl's.
God. They keep getting bigger. Where's Deacon? Where is he at?
Let's meet the man.
Fucking shit.
Pissing our pants yet? Boy, do I have a feeling we're getting close.
Oh my God. Oh my God. My husband.
Yeah.
Look at him.
Gonna be Pee-Pee Pants City here real soon.
He's saying that stuff.
He's the guy.
Oh my God.
Hi. You're Rick, right? I'm Negan.
Help me.
And I do not appreciate you killing my men. Also, when I sent my people to kill your people for killing my people, you killed more of my people.
Look at him.
Not cool. You have no idea how not cool that shit is. But I think you're going to be up to speed shortly.
Oh my God.
Yeah. You are so going to regret crossing me in a few minutes. You ready?
Deacon.
Here goes. Pay attention.
Oh my God. Bitch. I'm in love with him.
You ruled the roost. You.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna beat the holy hell out of one of you.
Bitch.
This is Lucille. And she is awesome.
Oh.
I got an idea.
He's gonna do it. He's gonna do it.
Eeny,
Oh, bitch.
meeny, miny, mo.
Better not touch my leg, bitch.
The tiger let him go. My mother told me to pick the very best one. And you are. It. Anybody moves, anybody says anything, cut the boy's other eye out and feed it to his father, and then we'll start. You can breathe. You can blink. You can cry. Hell, you're all gonna be doing that.
Oh my God.
Take it like a chair.
God. Oh my God.
What's happening?
Are you kidding me?